Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to schedule Gmail to send later. This incredibly useful feature allows you to write an email now and have it delivered at a more opportune moment. Whether you are working across different time zones or simply want to ensure your message arrives at the top of someone's inbox, scheduling provides excellent flexibility. It's a simple process that can significantly enhance your email management. To begin, open Gmail and start composing a new email, just as you always do. Once your message is complete and ready to go, look for the small downward-pointing arrow positioned right next to the Send button. Click on this arrow, and a small menu will pop up, offering you a few different options for sending your message. From the menu, select Schedule Send. Gmail will then present you with a few pre-selected options, such as tomorrow morning or Monday afternoon, making it easy to pick a common time. If those don't suit your needs, you can choose Pick Date and Time to specify an exact date and time down to the minute. After making your selection, simply confirm it. Once an email is scheduled, it doesn't just disappear. You can easily find all your pending messages in the Scheduled folder, located in the left-hand navigation panel of your Gmail interface. From there, you have full control. You can open any scheduled email, cancel its send, or even make edits to the content or change the scheduled time before it goes out. It's very flexible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.